Advantages of eating potatoes. Nutritious. Potatoes are a good source of nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and fiber. Affordable. Potatoes are widely available and inexpensive, making them an affordable staple food in many cultures. Versatile. Potatoes can be prepared in a variety of ways, including baking, boiling, frying, and roasting. This versatility makes them a popular ingredient in many dishes. Satiating. Potatoes are high in complex carbohydrates, which can help you feel full and satisfied after a meal. Gluten-free. Potatoes are naturally gluten-free, which makes them a suitable food for people with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. Disadvantages of eating potatoes. High glycemic index. Potatoes have a high glycemic index, which means they can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, making them unsuitable for people with diabetes. High in calories. Potatoes are relatively high in calories, which can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. Low in protein. Potatoes are low in protein, which means they may not provide enough protein for people who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. May contain harmful substances. Potatoes can contain solanine, a toxic compound that can cause gastrointestinal symptoms if consumed in large amounts. Can cause digestive issues. Potatoes can be difficult to digest for some people, especially if they are consumed in large quantities or if they are not cooked properly.